In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn on spicy mode in Grok AI, what changes when it's enabled, and how to use it responsibly. Spicy mode in Grok AI is a conversational setting that relaxes the model's tone. When it's enabled, Grok can sound more playful, witty, and sometimes a little irreverent. To activate spicy mode on desktop, start by logging into your Grok account. Open a new chat or select an existing conversation. Then, look for the conversation settings or model style toggle, usually located in the chat header or sidebar. Select spicy mode or switch the style to spicy, and send a message to confirm the new tone. On mobile, open the Grok app and log in. Start a new chat or tap the chat composer. Next, tap the model or settings icon near the input bar. Choose spicy mode and test it with a prompt like, "Give me a spicy and witty summary of today's tech news." Spicy mode is perfect for casual chats, brainstorming, and fun content. Just remember to switch back to the default tone when clarity, professionalism, or brand voice matters. And that's how you activate spicy mode in Grok AI.